What's up guys and welcome to today's video. Now probably you noticed that lately I haven't been too active on YouTube, and that's also what I want to talk about in this video and what this video really is about. So over the past months I've got a lot of e-commerce clients, right? So I've done Google Ads for a lot of new e-commerce businesses. I've also coached a lot of people, personally one-on-one to help them grow their businesses, and my partner and me, we made some progress with our new e-commerce brand that I've talked about several times on this channel. Now this is a pretty in-depth thing. That's a pretty intense thing that we are planning there. That's not just setting up a Shopify store and that's it. So that all requires a whole lot of work. So because of all these things, and also because of the fact that I actually moved out of my apartment, so you can see here pretty much that I'm in my partner's office, and he has this little video studio here, which is pretty cool. And for the next weeks or months, depending on when my new apartment will be ready, I will be working from his space. So I actually moved in back with my parents until this new apartment is ready. And for work, I can basically use this part of my partner's office. So I've been here, I'm here on a regular basis anyway, but now I actually moved here to work. So from the morning to the late afternoon or something, I will actually be here. But it wasn't only that, right? It wasn't only that I have other stuff to do. Also, I felt that recently there was no real plan behind this channel. So I released a video every now and then, and the feedback was still great. So that's still really cool stuff. But I felt like there was no real consistency. There was no real topic. I mean, sure, we are focused on Google Ads, and that's definitely something that will keep that I will keep up in the future, but there was no real game plan and no real structure here. And there are a whole lot of things that I've planned to do on this channel now, because I actually planned that I want to make an overhaul of this channel. I decided that I actually want to keep running this channel more actively. I also thought about doing it even less often and probably just focusing on Google Ads only, nothing else, and a whole lot of other things. However, I decided, okay, I want to overhaul this channel. I want to also put more work and effort into this again, which of course also means that I need to have someone who cuts my video and maybe also does some thumbnails or something like that on a regular basis. So far, most of the time I've been doing this myself, even though every now and then I had some help from other people. But of course, if I want to focus on all these other projects like the clients and the coaching and our own e-commerce businesses, then of course that's something that I just need. So for this channel now, I've planned a lot of bigger as well as smaller things, and that's exactly what I want to ask you about in this video. And I ask you for a favor here, because if you have anything that you want me to talk about more in the near future, then please let me know in the comments. Let me know whether you want me to talk about Google Ads, whether there's anything specific within Google Ads that you want me to talk about, whether you want me to focus on more general e-commerce stuff, whether it's branding, what we are doing in our new e-commerce business, and I will keep you updated on that one as well. Or maybe you also want to know more personal stuff, such as this thing here, right? Moving to my partner's office to work here, and some things that are coming up and all that stuff. Maybe you want to get some insights on that as well. Might be interesting for you as an e-commerce business owner, or just anything else. So anything that you would find interesting or helpful or anything like that, let me know in the comments. And also, if you find something in the comments that you agree with, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that I can see, okay, which are the topics and the things that you guys want to hear about most. So let me know what you are struggling with most. What are your biggest problems? Where do you feel, what do you feel are the topics where there's not enough content out there? And you can put all of that in the comments so that I can decide what I will do in the future on this channel. As I said, I even considered making it completely on Google Ads only, but I feel that that's not really a good thing, because obviously in my own e-commerce businesses, we're also using things that are not Google Ads, right? It's not that, even though I'm focused on Google Ads and most of my client and student work and stuff like that is with Google, but of course, I feel that that's not really reflecting what we are actually doing in our own business. However, in order to do all that stuff, of course, I need more planning. So I need to make some videos up front. And if I can focus completely on the video side and the topic of things, and because others are doing the editing and all that stuff, of course, I hope that I will be able to get more and better quality videos at scale. So right now you see here, this is some kind of improvised stuff. Normally I would have my camera with me, but I couldn't find my SD card today, so I'm using, actually I'm filming on my phone right now. I'm using this camera here. Next time then, you will see me with my actual camera again, with an attached microphone. I'm also getting a new one. So I'm trying to focus on a lot of new things when it comes to these videos so that they get better and at the same time though more frequent. So far I'm aiming for a schedule of like 2, maybe 3 videos a day. I have to see what I can do, whether I can actually do 3, but I will definitely aim for 2. So keep me updated on what you want me to talk about, as I said several times now in this video, so put it in the comments below. All right, and this being said, thanks to all of you guys who have been following me for all this time now already. You sent me messages all the time like, hey, you know, I've been following you for 2 years and that was just crazy value. It was super helpful. It helped me grow my business to 5 or 6 figures. Messages like, hey, I've been following you for 2 years and now I finally decided to, you know, or I finally want to work with you one-on-one and start with your coaching and all that kind of stuff. This is super exciting, so thanks for that. If you have been a subscriber for a long time, that's really, really cool. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. But if you are new, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you are interested in e-commerce and marketing, whether it's because you want to grow your own e-commerce business, whether you want to scale it, whether you are working as like as a consultant for an e-commerce business or anything like that. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm hosting and I'm, you know, posting also a lot more videos in the near future about e-commerce, Google Ads, marketing, probably also things like Facebook ads, you know, showing you more about our own e-commerce business and stuff like this. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. I hope that, as I said, you put something in the comments for me to work on. And I hope that you will continue to follow this channel for more insights so that I can help you grow your e-commerce business. Now, thanks a lot. Make sure to hit the like button and check the links in the description if you want to take your e-commerce business to the next level. And this being said, thanks a lot. I will see you in the next video again, guys. Bye-bye.